42-year-old man presents to his primary care provider for a follow-up appointment after a new diagnosis of hypertension. The doctor mentions a recent study in which the effect of a healthy lifestyle education program on blood pressure was investigated in two matched rural communities. One community received a health education program and the other did not. What is the type of study most likely being described here? Here, one community was informed about the post-operation or the post-OPD follow-up, what is to be done. Other was not informed. So it is basically a trial, but it is done in a community. So it is a community trial. The study being described is a community trial. Community trials are experimental studies where whole population of a town are used to test an intervention instead of allocating intervention to individual subjects. So here we select the community instead of subjects. This type of studies are chosen when the intervention in question is better studied at a group level, such as law, policies, or educational programs. In community trial, a particular intervention is assigned to every member of a given population and compared to other population that has not received the intervention. Both populations are also matched for distribution of age, gender, etc. In this case, the healthy lifestyle education program is the intervention being assigned, while the parameter being measured is change in blood pressure.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.